If you want to reset your forgotten PIN, password, or pattern on your Google Pixel 9a, so unluckily you will have to perform a factory reset. So let's do this together. First of all, we have to turn off our phone. We are to press our power and volume up buttons for like 10 seconds until our phone will be turned off. Great, it's off. Now, here we are to hold our power and volume down until our phone will be in our fast boost mode. So power button, volume down button. Here we are. We can navigate through our fast boost mode using our volume down and up, and to make a choice we are to press our power button. So we are to locate to our recovery mode. There we are. Let's press power button. Now we'll see our Android screen with no command sign. Now we are to hold our power button and press our volume up button once. Just like this. And there we are. Now we are in our recovery mode. Navigate through it using your volume down and volume up buttons. Locate your wipe data / factory reset. Let's press power button. Factory data reset. Power button. And basically that's it. Now your phone is reset. Now you can power it off or reboot system now. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.